Let us see how to install OpenCV in our computer. As we know, OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library. This library is used for all such programs where we want to process images, videos, even to recognize faces, handwritings, right? So let us proceed with the steps. This can be done using 3 simple steps. First, you have to open command prompt. After that, we have to open Python scripts folder. And then simply we have to type their statement, the command pip install OpenCV-Python. So let us start with the installation part. So now let us see the steps. We have to open command prompt. Then we have to open scripts folder. To open scripts folder, the very easy way is that simply go to open your IDLE. यहाँ से आप click on open, click on scripts. See, this is the location. अब मैं इसको डबल क्लिक करके यहाँ से I'll just copy this location. Copy and मैंने इस लोकेशन को कर लिया कॉपी and I'll go to my command prompt. There I change the directory. Right? अब यहाँ पे simply I'll type the command pip install OpenCV-Python and the installation will start. It will take some time. So you can see the message, a new release of pip available and all. Successfully installed OpenCV-Python. Right. So we have done the installation thing. Now let us check once.